I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't stop, don't
I gotta be spilling like an anomaly villain. No tripping on my spitting, no wicked convicted illin'. I'm a rocket like a prophet, I'm making you pop it like it. I'm a gotta be spitting, yeah, on the spot I be illin'. I got it like a pillin', I oughta be poppin' chillin'. No tripping on my spitting, no wicked convicted illin'. I'm a rocket like a prophet, I'm making you poppin' like it. On the spot I be illin', an anomaly villain. Come at you like a mob, hit like a comet when I drop it. I shock it from my composite like a rocket, never stop it. You're talking on my split hit, hock it then I rip it like vomit. I'm gonna split it like a frog, wanna kick it, I hop it then I rip it. You slip on my quip when I rip, make a girl finna get up on my lip. Take a sip quick, take a trip, hop inside my whip, take off like a rocket ship, poppin' like a bit, hella be so twisted. I epically rip addicted, convicted to spit illicit, lyrically with explicit, wickedly conflicted, admittedly pessimistic. I'm cynically unrealistic, I'm typically unpredicted, hitting on my bitch, I'm a finna drop a prick, grinding flip the switch, hit the broom like a witch, clipping and pippin' the vision, mission, position, incision, sitting like I'm ripping and fission when dissing, tripping and spinning. I gotta be spilling like an anomaly villain, no tripping on my spitting, no wicked convicted illin'. I'm a rocket like a prophet, I'm making you pop it like it. I'm a gotta be spitting, yeah, on the spot I be illin'. I got it like a pillin', I oughta be poppin' chillin'. No tripping on my spitting, no wicked convicted illin'. I'm a rocket like a prophet, I'm making you poppin' like it. On the spot I be illin', an anomaly villain. Ridiculous wickedness with my sinfulness, villainous, utterly limitless. Know you're feeling us, infamous, ripping the instruments, bigger rush, a deity reigning the tyranny. If you're feeling me, finna be industry getting me, ripping G infinity. I decree, agree, stampede at full speed. I can't see my breed with a creed, dropping you a few MPs. Psychotic, neurotic, hypnotic, I got it. Narcotic, exotic, erotic, she caught it. She bobbing, no stopping, just rocking, hitting it awesome. Yeah, you know that she's mobbing. Be down, go another round, hit the ground when I'm hitting down with my sound. Fucking around, I get a town, living underground. Littest shit you ever found. Don't you know I wear the ground? I'm taking you down to the pound. I gotta be spilling like an anomaly villain. No tripping on my spitting, no wicked convicted illin'. I'm a rocket like a prophet, I'm making you pop it like it. I'm a gotta be spitting, yeah, on the spot I be illin'. I got it like a pillin', I oughta be poppin' chillin'. No tripping on my spitting, no wicked convicted illin'. I'm a rocket like a prophet, I'm making you poppin' like it. On the spot I be illin', an anomaly villain.